I'm going to show you how to create a multi-sheet drawing for your cube assembly. I'm going to start out by going to um, Manage and my projects, and I've created all my puzzle cube parts and my assembly in a folder called Puzzle Cubes. Notice it's in Documents, Inventor, Puzzle Cube. And my project, I have a check next to my project, so any work that I do going forward will be stored in that folder. And you're going to want to do the same. I'm going to select Done. So I've loaded in my assembly, and I have also loaded in my 5 parts: blue, green, orange, yellow. And I've also created a drawing of the assembly, and I want you to do the same. So this is sheet 1 of my drawing. I'm going to add one additional sheet for each of my parts, so I'll have a total of 6 sheets. Sheet 1 will be my assembly, and sheet 2 will be, I'll make that the red part. So I'll start with the red part. First of all, I'm going to open up the part, and I want to look at the front view. I want to choose my front view. So I'm going to look at the various ISO views and decide which I'm going to try to pick the corner of the let's see, that's not quite what I want. How's that look? You're going to cycle through and look for your best ISO view. That's fine, that's a good ISO view. So I'm going to come to this view here, and I'm going to choose this little pull down menu here, set current view as front. Now that's my front view of the red part. So I'm going to go back to my drawing, and I'm going to add a new sheet. You notice now I'm on sheet 2, and I'm going to go ahead and place my, this will be for my red part. I'm going to place my base view. And you notice that because I just opened up my red part a little earlier, it was the last part I had open, that it suggests the red part. It assumes I want to use the red part, but if it's not shown here, you'll have to browse for it and find it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn Shaded on and hit OK. And there's my front view, my side view, my top view, and then my ISO. Right mouse button, Create, and I'm going to go ahead and reposition these. And I'm creating these drawings so you could build your parts out of wooden blocks. It'll make it easier. So there's my red part. I'm going to go ahead and create a new sheet. And I'm going to look at my blue part now, and so forth. I'm looking at the front view. I'm going to look at my ISO, see what that looks like. And that's fine. That's a good front view. And that is currently my front view, so I'll leave that there. And I'm going to go back to my drawing. And I'm on sheet 3, so I'm going to go ahead and place my base view, and it assumes I'm going to place the blue part. Is the part that I just had open. I have shaded on. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and put down a side view, a top view, and an ISO view. Right mouse button, Create. Move these parts around. Create a new sheet, and now I'm going to do my green parts. I'm going to go to my green part, and I'm going to take a look at the ISO view here, see what that looks like. And that's fine, that'll be okay. So go back here. That's my current right view. I'm going to come to this little pull down menu here and set current view to front. That's my new front view. I'm going to go back to my drawing and place my base view. Notice it says green. shaded is on, hit OK. There's my front view, side, top, and ISO. Right mouse button, create, and move these views around. I'm going to create a new sheet, and this will be 5. This will be my orange part. Go to that part and let's see, take a look at the ISO for that view, and that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as my front view. And it's currently my right view, so I'm going to go ahead and select this menu here, set current view as front, go back to my drawing, place my base view. Orange part is highlighted, shaded is highlighted, hit OK, and put my views down. Right mouse button, create, reposition these. Create a new sheet. I'm going to go to the yellow block, take a look at that. Actually, that would see, that would make a good front view. I'm going to look at the ISO of that. Now I'm looking at the top, trying to grab this little corner here. That's good. So I'm going to use this as my new front view. Hold down my context menu and set current view as front. Now I'm going to go back to my drawing and sheet 6, go ahead and place my base view. Make sure it's shaded on, it's yellow specified, hit OK. And I place my yellow view down there, I'll have to move it. Put my ISO here. Right mouse button, create. I'm going to go ahead and reposition these. So now I'm done. I have my 6 sheets. Going back, I could go to sheet 1. Sheet 1, double click on it, that's my assembly. Sheet 2 is the red. Sheet 3 is the blue. 4 is the green. 5 is the orange. And 6 is the yellow. So I'm going to go back to sheet 1. So I'm going to save this Puzzle Cube assembly, put my name on it. 6 sheets. I'm going to call it 6 sheets. Save it. And now I'm going to export it to PDF. Export to PDF. Now the only thing you have to be careful of here is under options you're going to select all sheets. If you don't select all sheets, you'll only get one of the sheets. So want to select all sheets to use your options menu. Hit OK and save. And here's my PDF file. And you notice that as I scroll down, I could look at the 5 sheets. Check that you do have all 6 sheets, and go ahead and submit this to submit the PDF file to the assignment, to LMS, to complete your assignment.